Welcome back to our IT class. Today we are continuing our chapter 1. So in the last class you have studied how to type Swaraksharangal, isn't it? So you studied to type R to In this class we are going to learn how to type Vyanjanaksharangal. So which are the Vyanjanaksharangal? Yes, Kha, Kha, Gha, Ga, Nga. Then up to Ya, Ra, La, Va, Sha, Sha, Sa, Ha, La, Ra, Ra. Okay. So also you want to study the compound letters. What do you mean by compound letters? Yes, very good. That is we call it as Kottaksharangal in Malayalam. So can you say which are the compound letters? Ikka, Icha, Itta, Inda. Yes, very good. These all are compound letters, which means combination of two letters. Okay, so Ikka. Which letters are combined to form Ikka? Very good. Ka plus Ka. So there is another letter that is used or that is helpful to combine that both two Ka. Which is that letter or which is that symbol? Yes, very good. That we wrote it as like this. Okay. So we get this symbol by pressing which key in our keyboard? Yes, very good. That is the key D. Okay. If we are clicking on the key D, we got this symbol. Okay. So we can call it as the friend of compound letters. Okay. So which key is known as the friend of compound letters? Very good. D. D is the friend of compound letters because in all the mixing letters we use this symbol. Okay. Is it clear? So who is the friend of compound letters? D. Very good. Okay. Also we have studied to change the keyboard layout into Malayalam. From where? From the top of the screen, top of our window. In the right side we can see the keyboard indicator, and just press on that keyboard indicator you can see the languages. So from there you can select the English or Malayalam. Okay. So there are so many fonts in Malayalam. Could you list any 5? Yes, first one is Chilanga. Okay, very good. Then second one is Rajana. Okay. Then third one is Meera. Then fourth one is Keraliyam. And fifth one is, what is the fifth one? Can you see any of the Malayalam font? And the fifth one is Anjali Old Libby. Okay, so there are lot of Malayalam fonts. From there we can select any of that. Okay, so now we are just going to type the Vyanjanaksharangal, then Chillaksharangal. What are the Chillaksharangal? In, Il, Ir, In, then Il. Okay, so 5 Chillaksharangal. Then we are just going for compound letters. Okay, so let us go. Dear children, we are going to type the Vyanjanaksharangal. So in which software we are going to type it? LibreOffice Writer. Open Applications, Office, LibreOffice Writer. This is the LibreOffice software. So we want to type Vyanjanaksharangal. First of all, we want to change the keyboard layout, that is in the top right side of our screen. Click here. This is the keyboard indicator. We want to change it into Malayalam enhanced in script with the rupee. Click on that. So now the language changed into Malayalam. Okay. Which is the first letter? Yes, Ka. So we want to type it by clicking on the keyboard K, the letter K. Ka is in the letter K. Then we want to put a space by clicking on the space bar on your keyboard. Then next letter is Kha. We can see Kha on the letter K itself, but it needs a help of another key. Which key is that? Very good, Shift key. So Ka is in the letter K. Then next Gha is in the letter Shift K. Okay. Kha, Gha. Next Ga is in I. So next Gha, Megham. Gha is in the Shift I. Okay. Kha, Kha, Ga, Kha, Nga. So where is Nga? Shift plus U. Okay. Nga. Then we want to go for next line. For that, press enter in your keyboard. Next Cha. Cha is in the semicolon. Then put a space. So Cha is in the Shift plus semicolon. Chai Cha. Next Ja. Ja is in the P. P. Next Shift P. Chai Cha, Jai Cha, Nya. Next letter is Nya. So that is in the Shift plus closing square bracket. Okay. So while I am telling all this, you want to write it into your notebook itself. Okay. Next click on enter. Next Ta. Ta is in which key? Yes, very good. In apostrophe. Then Tha is in which key? Shift. You want to put a space here. Then type Shift plus apostrophe. Tha, Da. Da is in the opening square bracket. Just click on the opening square bracket. Then next Da, Shift plus opening square bracket. Okay. Then Tha, Tha, Da, Tha, Na. Na is in the C. Shift plus C. Okay. Enter. Next, Tha is in L. Shift L. Tha, Tha, Dha. Next, Da. In which key? Da. O. Next, Shift plus O. Tha, Tha, Dha, Tha, Na. Na is in the key V. Okay. Then, what is the next letter? Pa. In which key you can see Pa? H. Next is Shift plus H. Then Ba. Y. Next is Shift plus Y. Hypa, Baipa, Ma. Ma is in which key? Yes, very good. C. Okay. Hypa, Baipa, Ma. Next, Ya. Ya is in the question mark. Okay. Next, Ra is in. Next, La. J. La is in N. Ya, Ra, La. Va is in B. Okay. Va, B. Sha. In which key? Sha. M. So, Shift plus M. Okay. Next, Sha. Shift plus comma. Okay. Next, Sa. Sa is in M. Okay. Next letter, Ha. We can see Ha in which letter? Very good. U. Okay. Next, Ra. Ra is in B. Shift plus B. Okay. Next letter, La. La is in Shift plus N. Next, Ra is in Shift plus J. Okay. Now, it's the time to type chillaksharangal. Okay. So, how can we type in? Na plus. Na is in V. Na plus. Then, D plus. Closing square bracket. Okay. So, we can type in. In another method, that is, we could type chillaksharangal. That is, we could type in by clicking on the Shift plus V button. Okay, that is the shortcut. So, two methods are there. First one is Shift plus V. Then, second method is that na plus d plus closing square bracket. Then il, la plus d plus closing square bracket. Then we have a shortcut that is shift plus full stop. Okay. Then next na plus d plus closing square bracket. Then the shortcut form is shift plus x. Okay. Next la plus d plus closing square bracket. Then the shortcut form is that shift plus 8. Okay. Next ir is ra plus d plus closing square bracket, and the shortcut method is clicking on the slash. Okay, clicking on the slash button only we could get the ir. Next is compound letters. So we can just go for 4 or 5 compound letters. Ikka, ka plus d plus ka, ikka. Then cha, semicolon plus d plus semicolon cha. Then pa, h plus d plus h equal to pa. Next inda, na plus d plus ta, inda. Okay. Ma plus d plus ma. Okay. Then inde, how can we type inde? Na plus d plus shift j plus z. Okay. So v plus d plus shift j plus z is inde. Okay. Okay, my dear children. So if you are having any doubts, you can contact me, and if you are having the Ubuntu installed computer, you can practice typing Malayalam. Okay, so if there is no system, don't want to get tension, you can come to the lab after the lockdown days and we can practice the Malayalam typing. Okay, so don't get worried. So chapter 1 is finished, and in the next class we can start the chapter 2. You want to write the notebooks your own. I think you have written till the Malayalam typing. Okay, so we are having few more topics. You want to write that, and you have an assignment that is you want to take your Malayalam textbook and you have to take the first chapter. Okay, so you want to write 20 words from that chapter. Any words you can write. Okay, you can write 20 words in each line. Okay, and put a hyphen towards each line, and you want to write the English letters for that. Okay, so this is your assignment. I think you all will do it and send to my WhatsApp number. Okay, we can meet at the next class. Stay safe and stay at your home itself. Okay, take care everybody. Bye.